Yes, madam. Tali, tali. Come. See my bed? Remove my bed. Ha? Remove your bed, madam? Tanggalin ko daw yung higaan niya.
What?
No, 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 no! Remove my bed!
What?
Ito na nga, tinatanggal na! No understand? Small English? Oof! Ang labo naman ito ni Madam kausap. Uy, sabi tanggalin ang bed. E di tinanggal. Remove the bed and bring the pillow into the sun. Ha? Napaktay na. Ihatid ko naman tuloy ang pillow sa araw. Hey, 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 hey! No listening? You wait, okay? Because maybe sunlight go home. If the sunlight go home, take the pillow so that it will not overcook. Okay? Okay, madam, okay. Ano nga daw? Bring the pillow in the sun? Baka ipaaraw yung ano, yung unan. Abroad pa mura. Inday, digiga. Wait. Ay, hindi pa siya tapos. Yes, madam. Breakfast. Sir, toast. Toast? Bastos mo yun sa amin. You know? And cook, sir, egg with 2 eyes. Okay? Bread. Sir, egg?
Yes, sir, 2 egg.
Okay, madam. Itlog daw ni sir.
What?
And it's sir, hotdog. Ha? Na abroad pa more?